right, this white Norton is ready to go home. I've got the headlight on now. I've got high beam, low beam. You really can't tell, but I do. Horn. Turn signals. Brake light. Okay. And let's turn the now it brakes on. I do not get any action up here on the pilot, so that's good. And that's about it. I'm going to declare the bike complete. Okay, the white Norton here is all buttoned up and ready to go. I'm going to notify the client that it's ready for pickup. Let's see, what was I going to say? Oh, I don't know if this problem with the LEDs was specific to 1975 or not. I've put a lot of LEDs into a lot of bikes and never had a moment's problem. But the 75 Norton has a much more complicated wiring system, electrical system, than the 74 and earlier. They used a different assimilator, which could have something to do with it. They put all these connectors and extra wires in the headlight. The hardest part of working in the headlight is putting it back together because it's just really difficult. There's so many wires in there. I just don't know. I do know I won't stop using LEDs, and I will try to keep track of what kind of problems I run into using LEDs. And I might not do any more 1975 Nortons LEDs. I just might not. I just don't know. Well, anyway, I've got to get charging on the ICU unit over there, and I'll probably just leave it there for a while and then go. The Beezer is waiting on parts. This is finished. The green Triumph is finished and ready to be picked up. I can put the white bobber up on the lift today if I want. I'll try to make a decision as to what I want to do. I also have some Christmas shopping to do and Christmas stuff, and to publish my Christmas letter. Just for grins, this is my collection of LED lights, flashers, control units. I mean, I seriously like LEDs. I really do. I've just never had so much trouble before. Yep, neat, bunch of stuff, bunch of neat stuff. Anyway, so that's where we are. I'm going to go publish this video and call this bike done.